Heart is the hub of our living. Heart is the organ that pumps blood to the entire body and provides the cells and tissues with the necessary chemicals and nutrients that are required for growth and survival. To feel someone's heartbeat is a very beautiful and best moment. It gives that sensation of being alive, it gives that sensation of life. And one of the very common concerns related to the heart, especially in today's era, is heart attack. Or in medical terms, we call it as myocardial infarction. So first of all, let us understand what exactly is a heart attack or myocardial infarction. So when blood supply to the heart is compromised or gets insufficient, then the heart cells, the heart tissue begins to get damaged. And if this blood supply is insufficient or compromised for a prolonged period of time, then the cells or the tissues of the heart die, and this process is called as necrosis. So when this happens, we term that the patient has landed up in an event of heart attack or myocardial infarct. So what are the signs and symptoms of anybody who is experiencing a heart attack? There will be shortness of breath, there will be tightness or constrictive feeling or pressure like feeling in the chest, which may radiate to the left arm or to the neck or to the jaw. Or the patient may experience some discomfort between the shoulders. There may be heartburn, there may be nausea, there may be vomiting. And very characteristic is they may experience a lot of sweating, at times even cold sweat. So anybody who's experiencing these symptoms need to seek medical help immediately. Now, who all are at risk of developing a heart attack? Anybody who is having a family history of heart attack, like anybody whose parents have had an episode of heart issues or heart attack, or the siblings have had such issues, those people, or grandparents who have had heart attack, those people need to be careful. If they are experiencing any of these symptoms, they need to immediately consult, or if they themselves have a history of heart related issues or heart attack, they have to be very, very vigilant. Any patient who's a diabetic patient, meaning their blood sugar levels are high, or anybody who's a hypertensive, meaning they are experiencing high blood pressure, they need to be very cautious if they are developing any of these symptoms. Anybody who has a habit of chronic smoking, chronic alcoholism, or are addicted to tobacco and all, they need to be very careful and vigilant if they are experiencing these symptoms. And anybody who is experiencing a lot of stress and they are not able to deal with that stress, they need to take care and seek immediate help if they are experiencing any of these symptoms. Now, what do we need to do in order to keep our heart fit and healthy? Exercise regularly, have a balanced diet, have a lot of fiber in your diet, keep a lot of physical activity on. If you are a patient of diabetes or hypertension, make sure that the sugar levels and your blood pressure is under control and proper medications are taken under a proper supervision. If there are stresses and you're not able to manage with those stresses, please seek professional help. There is no issue, there is no harm in taking help when you're not able to manage things. And needless to say, practice yoga, practice meditative activities, practice something that gives you a break from routine life and makes you more calm and relaxed as a person. In case you have any doubts, in case you have any queries, you can drop in a text, you can drop in a comment. We'll revert back to you as early as possible. Stay healthy, stay fit and stay fine. Dil dhadakne do.